Tippmann rifle, M4 CQB, and the M4 14.5-inch model. These rifles are HPA system and CO2, so it's a dual system. It runs CO2 magazines. You simply remove the CO2 part inside, and then you can run hose and a tank for HPA. It has blowback built in as well. It can run AEG magazines if you are running the HPA system. Also, you can program or change the rate of fire and velocity once you open the receiver and change the settings inside the gun. So they come with flip-up sights and a rail system for all your attachments. Comes with a 6-position buttstock, and basically very similar to other M4s. So you've got your selector switch on the left side. On the M4 model, I believe it's ambidextrous, or if not, there are parts for this modification. The magazines, we have here AEG high cap magazine. You have the standard Tippmann magazine, which is the CO2 system. So you can see there's a hole here. You drop the CO2 inside by pressing this button, and then you insert magazine, and then it penetrates the CO2, and then you're good to go. So you're looking at around 90 rounds in the standard magazine. For the CO2, it would shoot all 90 rounds, no problem. However, if you are to short load the magazine, the CO2 will depenetrate and it will spew everywhere, so you would waste that can. If you short load, then you cannot reload again because you lose all your CO2. With standard AEG high cap mags and mid cap mags, they work absolutely fine. We've tried classic army mags, PTS mags. So far, I'm not sure G&G, but we'll let you know shortly. So let's talk about the HPA system. So that plugs in at the pistol grip area, and then the hose leads to a tank. Top adjustment is situated right here from the shell eject port, and that is operated with a special key that is provided with the gun. Okay, so let's talk about the air tank. This is the Tippmann air tank. It's a high flow air tank. You can have them recharged in Hong Kong, in maybe some airsoft stores, and some selected airsoft stores, and scuba diving shops will definitely get this filled up for you. Also, if you run SLP tanks, which is super low pressure tanks, they don't work for the full auto function because you need the high flow air to push that blowback system and full auto. So you definitely need one of these. We will have these in stock along with the hose line that goes into the rifle as well. Okay, so let's test it out and let's see if you have any more comments, and let's see what you think about the Tippmann rifle. Available at War Industries. Pre-order yours now. Thank you. Okay, here we go. Tippmann M4 CQB. Let's go with some semi-auto. Very, very responsive. Let's go full auto. Okay, very nice. Thank you. Safety off.
Safety off. Okay.
Oh. Okay, now we didn't manage to get full auto last time, so if you flick it to full auto,
all right.
Now with the Tippmann tank, it should be able to go
around. Let's see. Ready?
Yep.
All right.
There we go.
Wow.
Nice one, thank you.
Is it charged?
Yep.
That's not bad.
Go full auto. That's pretty loud, eh? Okay, and then you can switch to full auto, which the switch that you was pulling just now. Pull it all the way to the other side. Yeah, that's it. It's full auto.